Hey everyone, so today is a special day and I decided to vlog it because it is Harry Styles' concert and he is coming to San Jose, California. I live in San Francisco and San Jose is about an hour away from San Francisco, so I thought why not go there and go to his concert, and I'm so freaking excited for his concert and to just go there, and my phone keeps ringing like crazy. I'm going to Anisha's place and I'm actually packing my things to get ready over there. I'm gonna go probably get an Uber. Oh my god, my pajamas are hanging on my bunk bed. Let's just like ignore that. I'm just like packing up my bag and packing up something. I am so unprepared. I don't really know what I'm gonna wear yet, but it is kind of hot. I have a feeling of what I'm going to wear, and I have to do a laundry load, but since I'm going to her place, she just said I can just do it at her house. I know this is so extra, I can just do it at my house, but it's so much funner if you just get ready together, if you just go to the place together and just have a fun time all together. Anisha is going, and also Ever, my boyfriend, he is coming. I'm pretty much dragging him along to this concert. I was like, you know what, I have one extra ticket, why not make an experience out of it, try to find new tastes in music out of his music, and he agreed to go. And I also painted my nails. It's acrylic nails and it's like this yellow taxi color, and my skin is coming out more fair than usual because there is a lot of light in this window that I'm filming in front of. It is yellow and it's like a taxi cab yellow coffin shaped nails. I've been wanting these nails for a while and my skin looks so much more fair and pale, but I'm more brown, I promise. I'm gonna continue unpacking. I'll update you guys when I'm there. Hey everyone, so I look like a boy because I have all my hair up. I'm at Anisha's house now. She is actually doing a load of laundry for me because I needed to do laundry and wash top and shorts that I was going to wear for the concert, and it's gonna be hot today in San Jose. That's pretty much what I am doing. She's making eggs upstairs for me and some tea. I'm in front of Anisha's window. I'm by her bed. She's right there putting on blush. Hello. She made me food over here. I have some eggs and toast and a tea right there. There is a candle burning. We are playing Harry music. It's very aesthetic. It's very pleasing to me. I'm on the floor and guess what? I packed all my makeup except my palette. So Anisha was a dear and she has so much makeup. Eyeshadows. She let me borrow her Soft Glam Anastasia palette and it's new. So I'm pretty much like the first one to use it, right? Yeah. So thank you for that. You know it's a true friend when that happens. All my brushes. I packed all of my bronzers, my lipsticks, and my eyelashes, and more brushes here and setting spray, but no palette. I had a look in mine which sucks. I'm just gonna go with what I have. See you later. This thing upon me. So we're on Caltrain with Ever and Anisha, and we're on our way to San Jose, and yeah, it's fun. There's people looking at me. Yeah, I know, because you're late. It's fine. We're probably gonna eat something. Okay, bye. And me! Hey everyone, so it's about 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm home now and I showered and I took off all my makeup. I'm about to go to bed, but my ears are ringing still from the concert. It's ringing so much. My voice is lost. I was screaming like crazy. I have a little minor headache from screaming too much. Yes, that is possible. I didn't even know that was possible until today. I ate so much food and then I got up really quick and then I started screaming and then that just kind of triggered a headache. I kind of had a headache throughout the concert. When the concert ended, when there was no more screaming left, my head felt so much better. But today is actually July 12th since it's 2:30 in the morning. It's my 19th birthday and I am so happy that I'm 19 and I was able to experience the day before my birthday with Harry Styles. I've done this before. On July 11th, 2016, I went to the One Direction concert at Levi's Stadium, Santa Clara, the day before my birthday with them. Tomorrow, going out with Ira, Nisha, and Martina's meeting up later, and Ever to go to the marina. We're going around Chrissy Fields, the marina area, take an Uber to somewhere else. I will talk to you guys later, and thank you guys all for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and comment down below anything you like. Thank you for watching. Bye!